Today's question is, why do you need to use an acoustic couplant when installing a clamp-on ultrasonic transit time flow meter onto a pipe? Well then, the novelty of a non-invasive clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter is that it reads the flow of liquids from the outside of a pipe. Just like that. Now the way this works is the flow meter transducer emits a frequency, say 1 or 2 megahertz, depending upon the transducer, which is a sound we humans can't hear, and it travels through the pipe wall into the processed liquid and back again. Well then, the traditional method used to enhance this transmission of sound uses some type of an acoustic conduit or pathway to send and receive our frequency. One example is to use sonic grease as an acoustic couplant. You simply apply some of this grease on the face of the transducer and then handhold or strap the transducer onto the pipe. And your ultrasonic flow meter then will be able to read your flow rate. That's why we use a couplet. You see, sound travels faster through a solid than it does through the open air. Got it? No? Let me show you. For example, let's say you're standing on a dock, and your friend is offshore in a motorboat. Now take note of how loud the sound of the motorboat is. Now, if we were to go below the surface, take note of the sound volume of the motorboat. Its sound is amplified and feels like it's right on top of you because water is denser than the air and is a better conductor of sound. So, if we apply an acoustic couplant or sonic grease to the transducer, it acts as a conduit to optimize the transmission of our frequency into the pipe and back again. Then the ultrasonic flow meter can indicate flow. Great. We can talk more about ultrasonic flow meters in another episode. So, did you enjoy our video today? Well then, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.